means whenever I just talk to you, I always feel that I am on top of the moon.
Same here. Same here. Feeling is mutual. I also feel like walking on the air, feeling
Ye-
fresh, delightful always because you always keep smile. And I love the person who always keep a beautiful grin on the face. That not only radiant the people but the environment as well.
Thank you so much. And one more thing is that I always get something or the other. Your videos has been always informative for us, so I
That
always love to connect with you.
that's the only first and foremost purpose of my videos. That whatever I am having, whatever I'm learning, I should provide under one roof.
Yes. So just, ma'am, I just want to know from your side that how we can make our spoken English impactfully. Means how we can leave an impact to others when we are just progressing with this language.
Hmm. You know what I believe, Geeta ji, this language is nowadays the era, the demanding, the era is demanding of fancy words.
Hmm.
Era is demanding the fancy word, but people are not willing to accept it. Right?
Yes.
Some of the people are willing to accept it, that fancy words, right? But you need to incorporate all these words. Then only you can be, present yourself as a good speaker. I'm not saying that simple words don't create that impact. No, I'm not saying it. Of course, right? But if you want to upskill in this language, right? If you want to update yourself, then you have to. This is mandatory that you have to inculcate all those words. But again, a question is here: what kind of a vocabularies and idioms and the phrases we should use, in which you feel a kind of compatibility, in which you feel good amount of relatability, because all words, all vocabularies or idioms are not meant to all.
Really.
Yes, so
I'm totally agree with this.
yes, and
Yeah.
beautiful smile you should have, right? And use your facial expression, right? You can't be sit like a poker face, whatever you are delivering. I always strongly believe whatever you are delivering, you should feel it. Actors कैसे करते हैं, Bollywood actors and actresses, they feel it, then they perform. Then we
Yes.
like, oh, he performed very well. He performed like, he's like a tip of my head, right? So you need to feel that conversation, that topic. Then only reflect on your face and you can make it, gracefully.
Really. Yes, when it comes to me, according to me, impactful conversation is that where there is clarity of thoughts and where there is your attractive body gestures and where you are just not talking with your mouth only, you are talking with your eyes, with your facial expressions, and all over that you are using that advanced vocabulary somewhere you have just learned. If you are not implementing in your conversation, so what is the use of that vocabulary? And another thing is that suppose if we are not using that advanced vocab somewhere, so we are at the same level, and if you just want to build up and you want to just exceed your level, so it is important that somewhere you have to use that advanced vocab. If you are not using, so how you can just exceed your conversation?
Yes, before connecting to you, I was connected with one lady and she asked the question, ma'am, what is the use of, that fancy word? Why should we use that fancy word? Very attractive English word. Why should? I said, now let me ask you one question. You are a homemaker, I'm also a homemaker, right?
Hmm.
You are perfect at your cooking skill. If you are not updating yourself in your cooking skill, what will happen? Of course your family member will say, mama, I don't like it. Why you cook the same thing always, all. So
Yes.
you need to do some experiment over there, right? So why not in this language? Why are you not then upgrading yourself in this language? It is a demand. It is a demand of today's era, right? So
Really.
updating yourself is it not mean that you are sitting on the high horse or you are doing it just to show it, right? No, updating yourself means that is your self development. You are doing it for your self development, right?
Really. Actually, whenever we are just speaking with that fancy word, so somewhere we are just decorating our language with that ornaments that are beautifying your conversation.
Hmm. Yes, and let me just admit one more thing here. You know, if I'm saying that use that fancy word, that क्या कहते हैं, diamond, gems and pearl. If I'm saying that you use it, if you are
Mm.
comfortable, go with it. That doesn't mean that clear words are not having, that clarity of your message. No, you can go with a simple word also, but there is only one condition. If you feel comfortable, if your audience is feel comfortable, your audience and your viewers love that word, no use to, no, there is no use, there is no need to use that fancy word. Just judge
Yes,
your situation.
yes. Even I have also noticed there are many people who just want to use fancy words, but they are not feeling so confident with that word. First, use that word confidently in your day-to-day life. After that, use in conversation. First, you should be aware of that word, na, that how's the pronunciation is going, and in what context we can use that word.
Yes,
Yes.
today morning, I think yesterday only my daughter was learning question, right? And she was not able to learn one word, and that word is significance and significant. What I did that time, I used that particular word throughout the day.
Hmm.
I have created the, that bundle of sentences by using that particular word. Like,
Yes.
it is very significant for me because I need that. Without mobile, I can't live my life. The specs is very keeps, very special, a kind of, significance in my life because my eyesight are weak. So she asked the question, Mama, why are you using this word all the time in front of me? I said, I'm using it so that your subconscious mind keep a note of that word, because we have a powerful
Yes.
mind that is known as subconscious mind, right? I know you are not listening it, but your subconscious mind is taking a note of everything.
Yes. Yeah, it's not important that you are using it deliberately or not, but it is important that in which context you are using that, and how many times you are repeating that particular word. If suppose we are not using, so we are losing somewhere. It's
Yes.
important. Yes.
Yes, so that's great. And what should I in that context?
Yeah.
This is all method,
And
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 yes, ma'am, please.
please. And when we are just talking about clarity of thoughts, when we are just making conversation, so we should have a proper clarity that what type of conversation do you want, and how your ideas are going. Are these very clear to you first self? If those ideas are not clear to you, so how you will make understand to another person?
Yes, you should have, strong hold. You
Yes.
should have to understand, develop your understanding by using this word.
Hmm.
Yes, great. Okay,
Yeah.
ma'am, so tell me your method, your technique, that what kind of a technique and method are you using to, inculcate all these fancy words?
Yeah, first of all, whenever I just had a conversation with someone, especially sometimes as I had conversation with you, so
Okay.
at the same moment, if I get any words, I just note down at the same time. And whole day, as you were saying that you were just practicing with your daughter, means you were giving a live example. So in the
Yes.
same way, I just try to give a live example in my conversation, and sometimes with my son, and means so many idioms, so many new phrasal verbs are there that I have learned from you. So somewhere I am taking that, and I'm not keeping that in my notebook only. I'm using in the conversation as well. And even sometimes, what happened if there is any substitution in my school, in my class, so I always just give them one vocab. So in this way, they will know new word, and there will be my revision as well.
Hey, great, great, And let me admit one more thing, I was connected with one person, and I used one word there, phonetic. Phonetic means कट्टरपंथी जो लोग होते हैं, right? And I use that phonetic word for the positive thing. Like I was describing him that my father-in-law is very, orthodox personality. Orthodox is an orthodox personality. So but instead of orthodox, I used phonetic, and instantly he cut me off and said that, "Ma'am, phonetic is a wrong word here. I know the phonetic meaning is kattapanthi, but that the meaning of that word is in a negative way, right?" And ever since, it just locked in my brain. What I mean to say it, if someone is trying to rectify you, if someone
Yes.
is helping you that you are using a wrong word here, take a note of it, just lock it in your brain, because the more you will rectify yourself, then only you can broaden the horizon of your law, and you have to accept your
Really.
mistake gracefully. And I accept it, and I can say it proudly. I did
Hmm.
mistake, I rectify it, and I learn it.
Yes. And first thing, this is like that. If you are using any word, so maybe in your mind that is with your clear understanding, but another person is not understanding in that context, so
Yes,
they can take wrong. Yeah.
yes, yes, well said, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay,
So
so yes, please.
yeah, so life going on other than this conversation.
Yes, my life is going supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. I would say
Yeah.
yesterday I uploaded that video, and
Yes,
I'm
I
happy.
feel bit tired, but I don't go through in proper pronunciation with that. Yeah,
I love that word,
but
so
I
I. Mhm. Yes, ma'am, you want
really
to say?
yes, the vocabulary that you have used, really its pronunciation is hard, but with the practice, anybody can learn. Yeah.
Everybody, and I love it. I two word I learned. One is the floxinoxin and the
Mhm.
floxinosinihydroplication, and that one is and supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. I love
And
both. I
amazing, yeah.
Okay, ma'am. So we should wind up, or you want to ask anything else?
Sure, we can wind up. Really, it's been a great time always.
Okay, same here. I'm
Thoroughly
delighted.
enjoyed the session with you.
Yes, always, ma'am. And thank you so much to connect with me again and request and accepting my request. I would
Very
say yes.
yeah.
And have a great day. And keep learning, keep illuminating the people the way you are doing it.
Yeah, thank you so much, and thanks for being my day so productive.
Same here, ma'am. Have a great day. Bye bye.